How to start a split screen video recording in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, we're going to go back to the main screen. From here, tap on the More button at the bottom. Next, select Dual Recording. Now in Dual Recording, tap on the circle with the 4 dot at the bottom here. And then in here, by default, it will set to picture-in-picture recording. So what you want to do is tap on this square button here, video view type. So tap on the view type, and that will allow you to switch over to split screen. So this can be handy if you need to do an interview with someone, and on one camera it will use the front camera to record yourself, and the other camera will recording the other person. So it can be useful if you set your camera at the correct position. You can do an interview on your camera while recording using the camera. And that's it. So that is the split screen dual recording on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So here we will perform a sample recording. Here I will tap on the preview camera, preview video, and here is the playback. And that's it. Thank you for watching.